Hi, friends. It's Andy, your third favorite realtor. Today I'm here with Christine, and we are in a Lennar home. What can you tell me about this property?
Sure. First of all, we're in Stillwater Golf and Country Club, which is Northeast Florida's one and only active adult new golf course community. So we're very unique. The home we're standing in now is one of our single family homes that we build on a 40-foot wide lot. We call it our 40s. This home is called Arcate 2. And this is showcasing you our new finish package, which is all white. So it's a very crisp, clean finish. White walls, shaker cabinets, our gourmet kitchen. We've got a beautiful 6-inch by 24-inch wood look tile that shows the knots in it, so it looks like wood. Those are our finishes that we give you now because we are a production inventory builder and one of the biggest builders around. We can include a lot of upgrades as standard features. So we're very proud of our pavered driveways, pavered walkways, and our lanais are all pavered and screened in. This particular home is actually a 3-bedroom with a den,
Mhm.
and it's just right around 1,900 square feet.
Oh, wow. So I can say that my fake cousin Kate would love the name of this house because, shout out to Kate. This is also on a preserve, and you also have lots that are on a golf course and some that are on water.
Mhm.
But if we were to build this house from scratch, like just walk in here and sign a contract pre-construction, how much would this cost?
So the full list price on this home is 443,989. So you want to call it 444. Lennar is a little bit different than most other
Mm,
builders, and we don't really do
mhm.
pre-construction, but anytime during the construction process, it could be released for sale, priced at that, so 444.
Mhm.
Because we are an inventory production builder, when we get a little ahead of ourselves in inventory or production, then Lennar's job is to get the home sold, and they give fantastic incentives, almost too good to be believed, but they are true. So this home, they reduced by $40,000.
Oh,
So now
wow.
it's listed at 404 basically.
Mhm.
But in addition to that, we also have incentive flex cash money to the tune of $53,380.
Oh,
That means,
wow.
I know, that means the whole incentive here is $93,380. That means when you contract on this home and get all of those incentives applied, you're actually closing with $93,000 in equity.
That's amazing.
It is, isn't it?
That's really amazing. Why don't we take a tour of this home?
Sounds great.